Hi everyone, it's Sorkin. Today we have a problem when we are given a string that contains only A and the B's. So what we need to do, we need to remove the minimum number of the characters so that the all B's in the string come after A. So for example, in this case, let's take this example. Let's say we have A, B, 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 and we have 6 A's that come after the B. So how we're going to solve this problem? We are going to initialize two variables, B and the delete, and we are going to go over our string. If our character is equals to B, then we are going to increment the B. If it's not, then in that case we are going to increment the delete, which corresponds to our A, and we are going to take whatever the minimum of delete or B. So for example, let's take this example first. Let's say we have only A and B, B, so we need to return 0. So in this case, at every step, what we are going to do, and at each step we are going to the else statement, and in the else statement, since the B is equals to 0 and the B is minimum, so we are going to take delete is 0, and we are going to return 0. So in this case, A and the B, they are in order, so we don't need to remove anything. So let's go to another example. Let's say that we have 4 B's and we have 3 A's after that. So in this case, we are calculating the number of the B's. Number of the B's are 4, right? Number of the B's are 4. And the number of the A's in this case, at this point, number of the deletes, which is number of the A's, is 3. So which means that we need to remove the whichever is the less, right? So we need to, at this point, either remove, to make it correct, we need to either remove these 4 B's, or we need to remove these 3 A's. So in this case, we are taking the minimum of delete and the B, since the B is 4 and the delete, which is A, is 3. So we are taking 3 and we are removing this 3. How about this case? In this case, the number of the B's in this case is 4, but the number of the A's are 6. So we are comparing that which one we should remove, which is the minimum, right? So number of the A's that come after the B is 6, and the number of the B's is 4. So we are taking 4, which we are removing here. Okay, what's the time and space complexity? So we are going over our string only once. So time complexity is of n, and the space complexity of 1, because we don't use any extra space. Also, I have identical solution in Java. I will include it into description. That's it for today. Hope you like my content. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye.